Hello, my dear students. I am Swarup Giri. Welcome to channel Maths Cafe. Today we will discuss some important questions for JEE Mains or Advanced. And today solves how to draw a graph, how to draw a exponential graph and logarithm graph. At first, draw the graph of the exponential function y equals to f of x equals to a to the power x and some nodes. Okay, we take the value of x equals to any value. At first we know that the function a to the power x, domain and range. So the domain, why the domain of a to the power x? This is the domain x belongs to R. That's I am write that the domain equals to minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the domain of the given function. And the range of the function, the range equals to putting the values of this and a to the power x, we can get 0 to infinity. Okay, at first we know that the function where domain and range. We draw x-axis and y-axis, and this is I am drawing axis. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis and intersecting point and origin. This is x-axis, sorry, and this is positive x-axis and this is negative x-axis, and this is positive y-axis and this is negative y-axis. Okay, at first case 1, we take case 1, a greater than 1. The given function a to the power x increase with the interval of minus infinity to infinity. So putting some values of x, at first x equals to 0, so we can get y equals to a to the power 0 and we got the value of 1, and those points are putting the axis, x-axis and y-axis. This is the location of 0, 1, and again putting the values x equals to minus infinity and y equals to a to the power minus infinity. So 1 by infinity, we can get the result 0. Again putting x equals to plus infinity, y equals to a to the power infinity, so we can get the result infinity. So the given values putting those axes, and this is the minus infinity and this is the plus infinity. Okay, so the my function is going to this. Okay, and sorry, this function, this is okay, this is the function of a to the power x. For example, for example, y equals to 2 to the power x and y equals to 3 to the power x, y equals to 4 to the power x. How can draw the given function? Case 1, what is the value of a? A greater than 1. So this value is greater than 1. So this function passing through the 0, 1 and draw similar to this is. Okay, and 3 to the power x, consider the function this one, and 4 to the power x, and this is the 4 to the power x. So the function, this is y equals to 3 to the power x, and this is y equals to 4 to the power x, and this is some values 3 and x less than 4. Okay, this is the function of a to the power x. And case 2, and we can get result sums a greater than 1, we 2 to the power x less than 3 to the power x less than 4 to the power x, and so on for x greater than 1, and again 2 to the power x greater than 3 to the power x greater than 4 to the power x, and so on for 0 less than x less than 1. Okay, and case 2 for the value of 0 less than a less than 1, the function a to the power x is decreasing function, because the init values of putting of those function, the values of y are decreases. So the function a to the power x, how to draw the graph of exponential function, and we see the axis, this is this is this is okay, this is the intersecting point of the curve, and this is 0 less than a less than 1. Okay, and this is a greater than 1. Okay, understood. And in general, the function increase or decrease depends on interval of a. This function a greater than 1, this is the increasing function, increasing function, and this is the decreasing function. So depends on values of a, the what can be go, what the function increase or decrease depends on interval of a. Today solve this important questions and for JEE aspirant students. So we some important questions and take this. Okay, the domain of the definition of the function fx equals to 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power y equals to 2. What is the domain of this function? And four options, one option correct. This question is for the JEE mains, WBJEE, and any competitive exams can get the result. Okay, so at first 2 to the power, sorry, mm, 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power y equals to 2. We have to find the domain of the function, and some 2 to the power y equals to 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power x, we can write that, and y equals to log of base 2 2 minus 2 to the power x. Okay, logarithm function holds this value is greater than 0 when this function can be hold 2 minus 2 to the power x greater than 0. Okay, so the 2 to the power x less than 2, and we can get x less than 1. So the function, the domain of this function minus infinity to 1. So option is 4. Okay, let's another graph draw, and this is the logarithm function. How to draw a logarithm functions, and log x base a in some intervals x greater than 0 and a not equals to 1. Okay, at first we know that the function domain and range. So what is the domain of the log x base a? Domain equals to, this is the value of the domain, x greater than 0, so this 0 to infinity. And the range, what is the range? Answer, range equals to minus infinity to infinity. Okay, everyone know that the given function where domain and range. At first we take the some values of x, put the given function. Okay, so you let us take the value of x equals to 0, so the function y equals to log of 0 to 0a, and this is the minus infinity, and some values putting x equals to 1, so y equals to log 1 equals to 0. Okay, and this function and x equals to infinity and y equals to also infinity, and we take the axis, x axis and y axis, and we draw a x axis and we draw a y axis. This is the intersecting point, this is positive x axis, and negative x axis, this is positive y axis, and this is a negative y axis. This function is called another name inverse exponential function, and the function seen that is increasing when a greater than 1. This is the inverse function of exponential. So this is a greater than 1, the function is strictly increasing, and the some interval 0 less than a less than 1, 0 less than, when 0 less than a less than 1, this is the decreasing, strictly decreasing function. So I have draw the first x equals to 1, this is the x equals to 1, and when the value x equals to 0, so in minus infinity, the function can go to this. Okay, sorry. So this is the value of a equals to a greater than 1. Okay, and this is 0 less than a less than 1, the function can this one. Okay, this is a simple curve by the this, and the value of 0 less than a less than 1. Okay, and this is some interval, the given function is increasing function. Okay, and this interval, this is decreasing. We can conclude that strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Some important formula for logarithm function I can write, and everyone to small note. So okay. So first formula, and formula number 1, formula log of a b and log a plus log b. log of a by b, this is log a minus log b. Okay, and log a to the power m base b, so we can write log of a base b, and log of a b, so the function log a by log b, and again log of one values is equals to 0, and formula number 6, log of a to the power log a log b and base a, so we can write b, and 7 a to the power log b base c equals to b to the power log a base c. This formula is very important for the your competitive exams. And another, and we draw the 8 log of x base m greater than log y m. We can get two results, x greater than y and x less than y. X greater than y when m greater than 1 and m less than 1, so less than 0. Okay, and goes formula number 9. At first, log of a m base b, so we can write that a equals to b to the power m, and 10 log of a m greater than b, so a greater than b to the power m when m greater than 1, and 11 log a m greater than b, we can get the result a less than b to the power m when 0 less than m. This is the a. Those are some importance for your JEE or advanced, and we can solve the any other questions those formula. Today solve this formula type of questions today solve. And at first, question number 4, is the pair of function e to the power root under log x base c and root x identical? What is the identical function? The identical function means two functions are equal. Okay, two functions equals if their sums domains are equal. Sums domains means the two domains of the two functions are equal. Domains of two function, domain, some nodes, domains of two functions are equal. This is the case number 1. And second condition, range of the two function are equal. Okay, understood? So those two given condition are hold, the given function are identical. So at first we check the function e to the power log x base c. What is the domain of this? So we can see the given function is root under log of x base c. So log value greater than equals to 0. We at first, so log x greater than e to the power 0 because e greater than 1, and we can get the result x equals x greater than 1. This is the domain of the function, and we write the another from interval 1 open to infinity. This is the domain of the function. And another function root x, what is the domain of this? So we can write x greater than 0. The domain of this function 0 to infinity and equals to sign. So sum this, and this is the equals to sign, and this one, and this is the equals to sign, and this is the equals to sign. So this is the main domain of the given function. Those are not equal. This is not equal domain, not equal to the domain of the function. So we can write the given function e to the power log root x and root x are not identical. And next question, and another question. This is the find the domain and range of the following function f(x) equals to log of sin x. This question based on the logarithm function, and we can at first draw the given function and result come out. And to okay, so question number 1, log of sin x. This is hold if sin x greater than 0. Sin x greater than 0 means, now we at first we draw the sin x curve. Okay, some let us draw, and x equals to 0. This is pi, this is 2 pi, and this is 3 pi, and negative x-axis pi minus 2 pi. This is the line of y equals to 1, and this is the line of y equals to minus 1. Okay, we also know that the given function how to draw. Some sketch we draw the your font, and this is sorry, and okay, and hot portion of sin x greater than equals to 0. Sin x greater than 0 means this is this portion, this portion, this portion. This is this sin x greater than 0. This is the sin x greater than 0, and this is sin x greater than 0, and this is the negative value. This is negative value. This is these values do not contents of the given interval. Okay, and so domain of the function I do like to this interval is the domain. This is the domain of the interval. This is the domain of the interval. This is the domain of the interval. So and so on, minus 2 pi to pi union 0 to pi union and 2 pi 3 pi. Okay, this is the domain. The range of the function range, so sin x greater than 0, sin x minimum value 0 and maximum value 1. So range log 0 equals to minus infinity, and log 1 log of 0. This is the lower least value. This is minus infinity, and log of 1 equals to 0. So minus infinity to 1 close. This is the range of the given function. Okay, again second, log of this function 3 5 minus 4x minus x square. At we first take if 5 minus 4x x square greater than 0. So we can middle term, and 5 minus 1, so x square plus 4x minus 5 and less than 0, and this is x minus 5, sorry, x plus 5 and x minus 1 and less than 0. And how to solve the given function? At first we draw a real axis, and value of the x equals to minus 5 and value of the x equals to 1 using the wavy curve method, because the some partitions are there. This is a partition, this is the partition, this is the partition. So three partition are in there of real axis, and this is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. We take any values of the this partition putting the given function. Okay, so x equals I'll be take the function x equals to minus 6, putting the given function sorry, x minus 6 plus 5 minus 1 into minus 6 minus 5 minus 7. So this is the positive, multiply by both numbers, this is the positive, and the given equation is the linear equation, so alternative sign are given, minus infinity and sorry minus negative and positive. So we we take the result negative because this number is less than 0. Okay, the domain of the function, the domain of the function minus 5 1. Okay, and range 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 of the function, putting the values of this and minus 1. So the putting the value of 1, so we can 0 log 0 minus infinity, we can get the result minus infinity, and the value of the x equals to 0 we can get 5, so minus infinity to 5. This is the range of the function log of 5 minus 4x minus x square. Okay, let's see the another question, and question number 6. This question is very important for JEE main. Now the equation e to the power sin x, e to the power sin x, e to the power sin x and minus e to the power minus sin x equals to 4 has the solution infinite number of real solution, no real roots, exactly one real roots, exactly 4 real roots. At first we write the question e to the power sin x minus e to the power minus sin x equals to 4. Okay, the given equation are another form e to the power sin x by 1 by e to the power sin x. Okay, everyone understood this process. And another I got the LCM, the power sin x whole square minus 4 e to the power sin x minus 1 equals to 0. Let's consider the function e to the power sin x equals to a. Put the values and a square minus 4a minus 1 equals to 0. And what is the discriminant of the given quadratic equation? Given quadratic equation. Okay, then the discriminant means b square minus 4ac. So 4ac. So what the value come? B square 4 square minus 4 and minus 1. So 4 and 4, 4 16 plus 4 20. Okay, so discriminant and greater than b square minus 4ac greater than 0, and equation some roots can be minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2, and we see the values of 4 and minus b. This is 4 4 sorry 4 plus minus 20 by 2, and 2 plus minus 5. This is the roots of the given equation, quadratic equation. So we see that the given function is e to the power sin x. The roots can be get root 5, sorry, this is 2, and 2 plus minus root 5, and we know that the function is sin x. The what is the value of what is the maximum value of sin x and cos x? Okay, we know that the maximum value is 1 and minimum value minus 1. So the given function putting sin x, so e to the power 1 and minimum value e to the minus 1. This is the interval of the solution. We see that, let's check, and we see that the function okay, let's start. And this is the this is and the values of e minus 1 to e plus 1. What is the value of e equals to 2.37. So this function roots can be get 2 to the power 3.73 or negative. So the function 2 minus plus 2 point something, this is 4, not get the this result. So the given function has no roots. This is the function has no real roots. Okay, so option is 2. Okay, everyone understood? This portion is very important in the problem. Let's another question, and this is question is very important for JEE Advanced 2013, and this is very easy question for the students. And 3 to the power x minus equals to 4 to the power x minus 1. We take the values log 3 to the power x and 4 to the power x, sorry, log of 4 to the power x minus 1, and putting the base 3. Okay, we take another values, so multiple cut option. So this is our any take base we take base 3, and we can get x equals to x minus 1 and log of 4 base 3, and x equals to log 1 minus log 4 base 3 equals to 1, and x equals to 1 by 1 minus log 4 3. Okay, this is the another option, and option sorry, option 2. Okay, and we take another base, value base equals to 2, so we get another result, we can get another result, and log of 3 base 2 equals to log 4 base 2 x minus 1, and x log 3 base 2 and 2x minus 1 and log 2. Okay, log 2 base 2. So this is the values of 1, and we take 2 minus log 3 base 2 and x equals to 2 and x equals to 1. This is 2 and 2 by 2 minus log 3 base 2. Okay, this is another option, and we get another topic. This is the another portion. This is the another option, and we get the result. And base 3. So the function and reduced to log 2 base 3 and 2 to log 3 base log 2 base 3 minus 1. Can write this portion because this formula log of a base b equals to 1 by log b base a. Putting this formula and we can get the result. This is option 3 come instead 1 comes. Okay, so this is the multiple card option, and let's another question. This is the last question for this class, and this is the JEE Advanced 2018. Very important questions. Okay, so the given function log 2 9. This is the numerical value answer. 9 square and 1 by log of 2 and log of 2 9. Okay, into 7 to the power 1 by 2 log 2 7 base 2. Okay, and at first we take the given. So log 9 3 square 2 is the come first and log 2 is square and 1 by log 2 and 2 log 2 log 3 base 2. This is the another value. Okay, sorry, this portion is deleted. Sorry, 7 1 by and 7 1 by 2 log of 7 base 2. Okay, we can take another values of this. This values of this function. This is the value of this is 7. You can write 7 7 to the power log, and this is also 2 and log log this is 2 of log 2 base 7. Okay, and this is come to the again 7 log of 2 and 7. We can write a to the power log a base, sorry, base a, these are equals to b. And so the function, what come, what the value of the given function, what the value of the function. So